Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. When you think of the golden age of American muscle, what comes to mind? Big rumbling V8s from the late 60s, right? Mustangs, GTOs, Chargers. But what if I told you that the real muscle car revolution didn't start in the 60s? What if the seeds of high-performance mayhem were planted a full decade earlier, hiding in plain sight? Today, we're uncovering the forgotten monsters of the 1950s. The cars that were tearing up the streets long before the term muscle car even existed. So let's start with a car that looks like it belongs at a drive-in movie, not a drag strip. The 1957 Ford Thunderbird F-Code. On the outside, it's pure 50s elegance. You see those beautiful fins, that gleaming chrome, that luxurious two-seater cockpit. It's a picture of class. But Ford offered a little secret option for this beauty, the F-Code. Ticking that box meant Ford's factory mechanics dropped a supercharged 312 cubic inch V8 under that hood. The result? A staggering 300 horsepower. In 1957, this elegant cruiser could rocket from 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds. That was faster than many sports cars of its day and could still keep up with muscle cars built a decade later. It was a wolf in a tuxedo. Next up, let's talk about a car that looked like your grandpa's sensible sedan but absolutely terrorized the racetrack, the 1951 Hudson Hornet. You might look at it and think, family car. It was big, comfortable, and had 4 doors. But Hudson did something brilliant. They used a step-down design, which gave it an incredibly low center of gravity. Then they fitted it with their legendary twin-H-power straight-six engine. Now, I know what you're thinking. A 6-cylinder? But this wasn't just any six-banger. It was a torque monster that, combined with the Hornet's superior handling, made it unstoppable in early NASCAR. In the 1952 season, the Hudson Hornet won an astonishing 30 out of 41 races. It didn't just compete with V8s, it humiliated them. The Hudson Hornet proved that raw power wasn't everything. Engineering and balance could create a true racing legend. Finally, let's meet the scrappy underdog that nobody saw coming. The 1956 Studebaker Golden Hawk. Studebaker was a smaller company, always punching above its weight. With the Golden Hawk, they threw a knockout blow. So there you have it, the Thunderbird F-Code, the Hudson Hornet, and the Studebaker Golden Hawk. These weren't just stylish relics. They were the true pioneers of American performance, setting the stage for the muscle car wars to come. Now, I have to ask you, if you could take one of these 50s legends for a spin, which would it be? The supercharged luxury of the Thunderbird, the racing dominance of the Hornet, or the underdog spirit of the Golden Hawk? Let me know your choice down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden car history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.